Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 16th block, which is our soil resource. And in this, we have learned that how the soil is formed, what are the layers of the soil, what are the different types of the soil, and also we have learned the soil erosion. Isn't it, children? So, in the fourth topic, we are going to learn how we can conserve the soil erosion. Okay, so why we have to conserve the soil? How we can conserve the soil is our topic, but why we have to conserve the soil? So why means, first let's see what are the uses of the soil, so that we can understand why we have to conserve the soil. Okay, so if you see the uses of the soil, we humans, what do we eat, children? We eat the vegetables, fruits, rice, pulses, cereals, all these we get from the soil, because we grow these crops, isn't it, children? These are the plants. Yes, so these plants are grown in the soil. Okay, or if we are having milk, meat, eggs, anything like that, yes, those you get from the animals. Milk or eggs or meat you get from the animals, and this animals, what do they eat? This we get from the animals. And what do they eat? They either eat the plants or the grass, isn't it, which grow again in the soil. Yes, so we can say that humans and animals depend on plants which grow in the soil, isn't it? That means we depend on soil directly or indirectly, isn't it, children? So that's why we have to conserve the soil. Okay, so how can we conserve the soil? We have different ways. The first one is planting trees, that is reforestation. If you grow more of trees, the roots of the trees will hold the soil, topsoil, tightly, so that there is no soil erosion. That means we can reduce the amount of soil erosion using the by growing more and more trees. Okay, and also we have learned that traditional farming method on the hill slope will cause soil erosion. For that, we can either go for terrace farming, in which you have to make the large steps on the hill slopes to prevent the soil from getting washed away. Can you see how the steps are have made very large in the terrace farming in the picture, second picture, children? So in that way, the running water will not wash away the soil. Okay, next you have counter plowing. So in this, on the hills they make the counter lines. Can you see the lines there, children? So in that way, you can make the steps on the counter lines on the hill, and based on the height of the hill. So height of the hill, if the height is less, you can make less number of counter lines, or if you have more, then you can go with more number of lines. On that, if you do the cultivation, then the washing away the soil because of the water, because of the irrigation will be reduced. Okay, next, so in this way. Okay, children. Next, you have crop rotation. So, children, in a field, if we are growing the same crop again and again and again, then the soil loses completely its nutrients. Okay, used by that crop. That means, if for example, if we have sow the seeds for the crop wheat for the first time, okay, then the crop uses all the nutrients which were used to grow the wheat crop, isn't it, children? And for the second time, if you use the same crop, then the soil will have less amount of nutrients that are used for the wheat crop. Okay, and if you do for the third time, then completely the nutrients will be vanished from the soil, isn't it, children? That is, the first crop and the second crop have used, and for the third crop, for the same wheat, the soil may not have the that nutrients. So that's why what they have to do is they have to do the crop rotation. That means, first, if you use wheat, The nutrients are used for the wheat. Then if you go with the rice, then the nutrients used for the wheat will be slowly, it will be gaining its nutrients while the crop, rice crop is grown. Okay, then again go for paddy, go for cotton. So in that way soil can regain its nutrients for the time used for the other crops. Okay, so that is crop rotation, in which soil will not lose its fertility. Okay, every time the crop result of the crop will be good. Okay, children. So this is our topic for today. And if you see the did you know, children, as per 2010 report, India is losing 5,334 million tons of soil every year due to soil erosion because of the human activities. Can you imagine, children? The number is very huge. 5,334 million tons of soil. So if the soil erosion continues like this, we don't have the soil where we can grow the crops, isn't it? In which we humans as well as the animals will be suffering. So we have to make sure that we can conserve the soil erosion so that we can stop our careless human activities. Okay, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Learn them and write it in your classwork. Coming to your question answers. Why should we conserve soil? What can we do to conserve soil? So why? Because we humans depend on soil directly or indirectly for the food. Isn't it, children? So you will mention that. And what can we do to conserve the soil? Plant more and more trees so that the roots of the trees can hold the soil and prevent the soil erosion. Okay, so write that answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your next question, what are the different methods to conserve soil erosion? To conserve soil, write at least one line about each. So you have planting trees, terrace farming, counter plowing, and crop rotation. So about these four you need to write one line for each. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 2, page number 42, S4 soil conservation. Okay, so with this we have completed with our block. So in the next class I'll meet you with the new block, children. And for the exams, all the best, children. Write neatly, use the capital letters only in the starting of the sentence or after the full stop, or for the nouns. Okay, don't use the capital letters in between, children. Okay, so learn properly, write neatly answers in the question paper. Okay, so all the best for your exams, children. Bye.